So NWF is one of the UK's leading fuel distributors to homes, farms and industry. We bring in fuel from the country's leading fuel refiners and then deliver it to our 60,000 customers through a fleet of 120 fuel tankers. Where BNP come into play is by having the expertise around repair, maintenance and leasing solutions to help manage our fleet of tankers.
We find Rental Solutions to be a great business partner. We have entrusted them to manage a large proportion of our fleet, without which we really don't have a business. They're always willing to listen and learn and offer good technical advice to problems as they arise.
What we support our clients with is uptime, compliance, cost control. So we're focused on those three pillars day in, day out, and this relieves them from having to worry about those things.
We have chosen contract hire with BNP because it gives us a complete solution under one umbrella. We no longer have a truck older than 5 years. This without the concerns of repairs and maintenance and the volatility that this gives us. As a result, forecasting and budgeting are much easier.
I think what makes a difference in being able to build a successful relationship is two-way communication. So this openness and this sharing really makes a big difference. Getting to understand where they service their assets, getting to know the depot network, understanding operations, getting to know individuals, getting to build relationships. And at Rental Solutions, we pride ourselves in being a human scale organization. It helps build that comfort level.
The other major benefit for contract hire is for our depot managers. This removes the non-value added tasks from their roles, such as dealing with garages, suppliers and pricing. This is a major distraction for our depot managers and now allows them to concentrate on the things that they do best, which is selling.
We're definitely looking forward to build on a strong foundation that we've established already. We're confident that with everything we're putting in place, it will make a big difference in the years to come as well.
I'm pleased to say that we have found Rental Solutions to be as good as we hoped they would be and look forward to a beneficial and prosperous future together.